from the year 2099. And guess what? We did something totally crazy and awesome. We brought back dinosaurs. Not stuck behind glass in museums. Not just in movies or video games. No, we brought them back as pets. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that dangerous? Are dinos huge and scary? Well, yeah, it could be, but here's the twist. These are miniature dinos. Cute, tiny and surprisingly adorable. My pet dinosaur is a miniature T-Rex named Pickles. Yes, Pickles. Don't ask why, the name just stuck. He's about the size of a backpack, with tiny little arms, giant sharp teeth, and he's completely obsessed with my socks. Every single morning, I wake up to Pickles, growling at my laundry basket like, "Grr, where are those fuzzy ones?" If I'm not quick enough, he'll sneak in and steal my left sock and hide it in the fridge. Why the fridge? Honestly, nobody knows. Maybe he likes cold socks. One time, he ate my dad's slipper and blamed it on the robot vacuum cleaner. Another time, he chased a drone because it looked like a flying meatball. He even sneezed on the toaster once, and he caused the entire kitchen to short-circuit. Chaos? Definitely! But I wouldn't trade him for anything. Even though he growls like a fierce monster, Pickles cuddles like the softest kitten. Sometimes he curls up and sleeps in my hoodie like a tiny baby kangaroo. Scientists made all these pet dinos are safe. They're small, friendly, and trained to sit, stay, and definitely not eat your furniture. Except Pickles last week, he ate our couch. Oops. At my school, some kids walk around with stegosauruses, tagging along to class. Others have pterodactyls as the delivery birds. They zoom in with packages and snacks. My best friend has a triceratops with glittery sparkly horns that shine in the sunlight. At Pickles, he's just a sock thief with a big attitude, and honestly, I wouldn't trade him for anything in the world. If you still have normal pets, dogs, cats, turtles, be thankful. At least they don't eat your shoelaces, growl at the microwaves, or hide your socks in the fridge. Tane, if someday you want your own mini dino friend, start practicing by training your goldfish. They might be small, but every pet starts somewhere, right? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me, what kind of dinosaur pet would you want? See you in the next video, straight from 2099, with love, Daria, future